Today I'm gonna be making a trailer build right here. It is a 5x8 trailer that I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. It was for 600 bucks, so not too bad of a deal. But lights work, drop back gate, pulls really well. Yeah, let's get to work. The thing that I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna spray paint all around the trailer, because over time the rust builds up and there's just tons of spots. Let me show you. You can see some of those rust spots on there. But yeah, just a can of spray paint will take care of all that. Make it look more professional. You could get new boards as well. I think I'm just gonna paint mine with a layer of black fence paint instead, and this part too for sure needs some spray paint. Stay away from the wires though. But yeah, other than the painting, the first step for me is going to be using this PVC pipe, and I'm going to be putting that on the far right side where my hose reels are going to go. Something to hold my gun in place. It's a 2-inch PVC pipe. I'm just going to cut it with a handsaw and measure it to where it should be. And every gun will be different. You just got to measure yours to where it won't rattle around in there as we're driving. So I got it measured up right here. Gonna cut about right here just to give me some extra room. Should be perfect. Just grab your saw and go to town on it. All right, now that we got both sides cut, obviously the rough side you're gonna want to put at the bottom of the trailer back there. So it's gonna be here. You're coming off from the job, get done with your gun, put it right in, and bam, there it goes. Now next, I'm gonna get zip ties and zip tie it to the gate. So for the zip ties, I picked this 100 count 14-inch outdoor ties up from Lowe's. These are gonna go right onto the gate and hold that PVC pipe on. So we already got that first one on there. I mean, and it's already tight. I mean, that's not coming off. But I'm gonna do one more second and then probably a third at the bottom just to be safe when we're on the interstate and stuff. So yeah, do that real quick. And just like that, we got our gun ready to go. For these extra parts of the bag, just come back here and cut them. Make it a little more flush. Do that all the way down. So yeah, I just wanted to get something out there, do a little video. In the next video, I'm gonna be going over how I cover thing up, spray paint everything, and eventually, probably in a few weeks, we'll have pressure washer, chemical tank, hose reels, and everything on this thing. It'll be looking real nice and ready to go for the season. So catch you guys in the next one.